everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kalyani. Today our topic angles. Now let's see these angles. First of all, here what is this angle? It consists of 2 arms. Angle consists of 2 arms. Okay. Angle consists of 2 arms. Degree of measure between 2 arms. Degree of measure between 2 arms. Okay. It is the angle. Now let's see here. Take this an angle. Here O, B and A. A, B, O are the points. Okay. It is M1. Here OA is the M1. OB are the M2. Okay. It is 2M. Degree of measures 2 arms here. This is angle theta. Okay. Now let's see here. Common vertex is O. Okay. Now let's see here. It is the OA is the one of the arm. OB is the one of the arm. Consists of 2 arms. That is called angle. Common vertex O. A, O, B are the angle. Now let's see here types of angles. Now let's see here. First one, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle, supplementary angle, linear pair of angle, linear pair of angle. After that, adjacent angle. Now transversal. Okay. Now here types of angles. Here see acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle, complementary angles and supplementary angle, linear pair of angle, adjacent angle and transversal. Okay. Now let's see here first one, acute angle. Now let's see here first one, acute angle. Now let's see here acute angle means 0 degrees to 90 degrees, below 90 or below 90 degrees. That is called acute angle. Now let's see here example. Here 30 degrees. Here A point and here B point. Common vertex is O. It is angle here 30 degrees. It is acute angle. Okay. Acute angle is 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Below 90 degrees, that is called acute angle. Now let's see here obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means above 90 degrees. 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Okay, it is 90 degrees to 180 degrees above or above 90 degrees. That is called obtuse angle. For example, here 110 degrees. Here having A point, here having B point, it is O. Okay, now let's see here, it is obtuse angle. Okay, now let's see here, it is the above 90 degrees. That is called obtuse angle. A, B is the points, O is the common vertex. It is angle 110 degrees. Now let's see here third one. Third one, what is this? Right angle. Right angle means what is this? Right angle is only 90 degrees. That is called 90 degrees. Here having 90 degrees. Point A, point B. It is having 2 arms, 0. It is the common vertex. Okay, here having 90 degrees, that only called right angle triangle. So, right angle. Now let's see here straight angle. Fourth one is the straight angle. Straight angle means it is 180 degrees. Okay, it consists of 180 degrees. That is called straight angle. Now let's see here in this one. Here 0 degrees. Then here to here 180 degrees. This is called straight angle. Okay. Now let's see here. After that, reflexive angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle means above 180. It is above 180 degrees. Below 360 degrees. Below 360 degrees, above 180 degrees. That is, for example, here it is. This is the angle 270 degrees. Okay, here having point A, here having point B. It is common vertex O. Okay, having 2 arms. That is called angle 270. It is the reflexive angle. Now let's see here. What is that next one? Reflexive angle. After that, complete angle. Next here, complete angle. Now let's see here. Complete angle means it having 360 degrees total. Now let's see here. Here point is there. Then move this place here to here. This is the total arm. It is called 360 degrees. This place having 360 degrees. It is the complete angle. Okay. Now let's see here. What is the complete angle? After that, complementary angle. Complementary angle means sum of 2 angles equal to sum of 2 angles equal to 90 degrees. Only 90 degrees. For example, here I am taking one of degree is 45 degrees and another one is 45 degrees. It is sum of 2 angles. Here 45 degrees plus 45 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Okay. It is the complementary angle. Now let's see here supplementary. Complementary angle is completed. Now let's see here supplementary angle. Now let's see here. Rub this place. Now complementary angle completed. Supplementary angle. Now eighth one, supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means sum of two angles equal to 180 degrees. Sum of two angles equal to 180 degrees. Now let's see here. I am taking here 110. Okay, it is the one of the angle. Now another angle is 70 degrees. Okay, one angle 110 and another angle 70 degrees. Sum of two angles 1 plus 2 equal to 110 plus 70 degrees. What value is coming? 180 degrees. Okay, this is the supplementary angle. Okay, now let's see here linear pair of angle. Supplementary angle is completed. After that linear pair of angle. Now rub this place. Ninth one, linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angle is, I am taking here some straight line. Okay. Now straight line to take one ray in this straight line. Okay. Now let's see here. I am giving this angle x and another angle I am giving this y. Here x and y are the linear pair of angles. Okay. It is the straight line M and taking ray O. Okay. Now let's see here it is the some angle that name is x and here another angle is there that name is y. It is x and y are the linear pair of angle. Okay. Now let's see here adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Now let's see here adjacent angle means what is this adjacent angle? Here I am taking one angle and take to another angle. Okay. Here O point A, B and C. It is two angles. See here 1, 2, 3. 3 angles. A, O, B is the one of the adjacent angle and B, O, C is the one of the adjacent angle. Here OA is the one of the arm, OB is the one of the arm, OC is the one of the arm. Here AOB, angle AOB and angle BOC are the adjacent angles. Okay. Now let's see here transversal. Okay. Transversal means here it is parallel lines. I am taking two parallel lines. Okay, it is the line and it is the one more line. It line M and line M. L and M. Two lines. Okay. Now let's see here. Intersect to another line. Okay. This is called P. Okay. L and M are the line. It intersected to the another distinct point here. This point is intersecting. That's why it is called transversal. Okay. Now I am keeping here points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. It is having points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is having corresponding angles. Corresponding angles is, what is this corresponding angle? Now let's see here 1 and 5. Okay. Next 2 and 6. 3 and 7. Next 4 and 8. These are our corresponding angles. Interior angle is pairs of interior angle. Now let's see here pairs of interior angles. Angle 3. Angle 3 equal to angle 5. It is the pairs of interior angle. Now let's see here. Angle 4 equal to angle 6. These are our pairs of interior angle. Okay. Now let's see here exterior angle. What is this? The exterior angle. Now let's see here. It is the interior angle. Now let's see here exterior angle. Now exterior angle, what is this? One and 7. Pair of exterior angle 1 and 7. Angle 1 equal to angle 7. Next here angle 2 equal to angle 8. This is the pairs of exterior angle. It is the pairs of interior angle. Now let's see here complementary angle. What is this complementary angle? Complementary angle. Angle 4 and angle 6. Okay. Angle 2 and angle 8. This is the complementary angle. Thank you.